Gosh, guys, I just did the video with my cringy helmet. That video was so scary, guys. Can we please get 10 subscribers for that video? Honestly, when I saw that rabbit, it didn't look like a rabbit. I wish I got it on video. I mean, I did, but I wish I got the rabbit part. Like, I wish you guys saw the rabbit. A small rabbit, quick rabbit. All I heard was sound running. And I ran, guys. Please show all your friends. I mean, half of the people that watch me are 75% are probably older than me. Some are younger. Show everybody. I want to see if we can get 10 freaking schooling views. The meme kid out. I'm so good. But I got so dirty. $125 shoes dirty that I'm wearing tomorrow to the basketball game. But honestly, for you guys, and please share on Facebook. The bench ring with RJ goals. But this is also going to be in the beginning, so do not try this at home. First off, and second off, if you watch the whole part, I'm not going to say skip to that certain part because then you guys are just going to skip to that one part where you just watch the killer. It's going to be thumbnail. Might be clickbait, and I'm joking. It's going to be, I'm thinking of my thumbnail being creepy clown blog, pretty bad. Creepy rabbit scares me. And then a rabbit with a clown mask. It's clickbait, guys. Clickbait is my light. I'm joking, guys. But just wait till the part gets there. It's humongously funny. If you only saw my face, tears were streaming down my eyes. You know I don't mess with snakes. You know I don't mess with spiders. You know I don't mess with coyotes or werewolves. Hopefully, I get to go to the pool today. If not tomorrow. I'm trying so bad to go to the pool, but I don't know if you'll say yes. And be like, we're all relaxing now. We're all relaxing now. My basketball game's tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm so scared because I'm scared I'm going to mess up, but it's going to be fun. Oh, I almost just fell on my way. So, peace, guys. Also, skip to 2:20 through 35 if you want to get past this. I'm just joking. We're already at it. Peace, scary from last time. Way bigger plants. Yeah, no, not going in this. I heard there was dogs in here last time, so I'm not about to get bit. It stinks. Oh, yeah. I'm scared. There's gonna be snakes. Might be werewolves. Might die. I'm just joking, guys. It's for you guys. There might actually be though a snake or a werewolf. I'm really freaking scared about werewolves. Not that much about snakes. I can run away. But I freaking hate snakes. Okay, guys, this is scary. I don't know if I want to do this alone. Go this way. Guys, my heart's beating so freaking fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just joking, guys. I want to see how that looked on video. Let's go this way. This is really scary, guys. Got shells in my shoe. I thought it was a snake. Freaking hate snakes, spiders, and werewolves. Werewolves probably only come at night. There's a snake over here like a werewolf. It smells like shrimp. Oh, it's a fly. That scared me. Guys, my exit route if anything bad happens. Alright, this. Yeah, that's even grass. Okay, guys, I'm kind of scared. Please pray for me. Look at that lizard. Holy frick. Look how high up that grass is. Snake could easily pop out of there. Holy Jesus. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. I'm not going through the rest of this. So... Oh my god, there's a bunny. Oh my god. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I want to see that on video. Holy Jesus. I thought that was a freaking werewolf. You should have saw my freaking face. I freaking cried. I was like, ah. I'm so freaking scary. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god, that was so funny. It was a freaking bunny, dude. It was a freaking bunny. I'm gonna see if I can go in that dirt pile over there. Cause I'm not gonna allow to mess with no more bunnies. Bro, I'm gonna say a part, skip to that part for a freaking bunny attack, bro. That was funny. Dude, bunnies, bro. The bunnies. Freaking scary though, dang. Freaking bunny just popped out, started running. Freaking thought it was a snake or something. I was like, honey, I don't mess with no snakes. Look over there. That dirt, I'm gonna try and get in there. It says road closed, so I don't know if I wanna do this. Cause I'm not about to do this with Pond. I don't know if I could. Let me show you guys. We went in here last time. I think it's gonna be farther than nature walk. It's gonna be human. I'm a savage. Or did they see this on my YouTube? Anybody watching me? Okay, guys, don't listen to this. I'm a savage. Let's do it. Cameras. Cameras. Let's go. How am I gonna get back up here? I'm scared. Guys, I might fall. Oh my god, I'm having a heart attack. What has made that noise? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a heart attack in this video. What the frick? It's my freaking shoe, dang! My freaking shoe making all that freaking noise, dang! Freaking broken shoe, dang! Yeah, just gonna watch this and start laughing his booty off. Without freaking rabbit, freaking scaring the frick out of me. And there's gators over here. Dang, I'm about to freaking die. See if we can get to 10 subscribers, guys. We just stopped at 4. We need to get to 10. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. I'm gonna get over there, though. Gotta go the other way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Savage. Got a car. I almost just fell. I'm about to die, guys. My stick to keep me alive. My hiking stick. That was hard. It says pretend we're taking pictures. Taking pictures. Let's go over here. Guys, I'm gonna get killed. See? Nah, I don't want to do that. But I'm a savage. Be a maverick, bro. Dude, we could play Manhunt, literally, seriously, bro. This is gonna be seriously fun. Okay, let's go straight in here, because there's gonna be too much snakes over here. Snakes don't go by dirt, I hope. Or they do, actually. They go by everything. If I get bit, it'll get on video. I know if it's poison or not. I feel like I'm actually gonna die in these next. My phone is turned off for no reason. I don't even know why it turned off. But I'm over here. Look how dirty my freaking KDs are. Dang. Freaking. Ooh. So scary, guys. We're savages, though, right? The junior adventurers are savages, bro. Alright, let's go. Let's get a face up. No, actually, let's get a face down. Holy Jesus. Oh my God. Avalanche. How am I gonna get back up here if I go to... Alright, let's just do it because I'm a savage. Guys, I'm a mother freaking savage. Guys, if you're watching this, do not try this at home. Can't believe I'm just now saying that. Do not try this at home. Woo! Snakes over here. Let's get over here. Savage. I'm a freaking savage. I got out of here. Now time to leave my souvenir. Alright, let's go, guys. That was my video. Hope you guys liked it. And peace. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. 10 subscribers. I'll do a 10 sub special.